Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create crossword puzzle books in Artistly AI, which is a fun online generative AI design platform. So this is what a crossword puzzle book looks like. As you can see here as I flip a couple of these pages. So let me show you how. So I'm logged into my Artistly account. This is the main dashboard area. Click on Create Design at the top. And then choose Fast AI Image Designer. We are currently in the AI Image Designer version 6 section. So go to the Kids Puzzle section and then choose Crossword Puzzle. It'll bring you to this page. Here you've got two options, plain and detailed or cute and fun. I'll choose cute and fun. In the theme box, enter your theme. I'm going to go with animals, but you can enter whatever you want to. Next in this box, I'll enter 5 for the number of pages. You can generate up to 25 pages. And then I'll click on Generate. It will then begin generating the crossword puzzle pages and then redirect you to the personal design section. And here are the generated puzzle pages. Let me scroll down. Note that the solution pages will automatically appear in the generated flipbook, and I'll show you that in a moment. If I scroll down, you'll also notice that I've generated the book cover. I created a separate tutorial on how to create a book cover, and you'll find the link to the tutorial at the end of this video. Let me scroll back up, and then click on this tab for Kids Puzzles. Next, I'll click on Create Flipbook, and I'll check one of these boxes. This will automatically select all of the corresponding pages for this specific puzzle book. Next, I'll click on Create Flipbook, and you'll see this dialog box pop up. Enter a book title into this box. And here you can upload a book cover. Since I already created my book cover in Artistly, I'll choose from Library. And from the media library, I'll select my book cover. So here is the book cover. And if you want to, you can also upload a back cover. I'll just skip that and then click on Generate Flipbook. It will then begin the process, and then once completed, it will redirect you to the My Flipbook section, as you can see here. And you'll see the status change to ready. You can then use this download button to download the PDF document for printing. And you also have the second download button, which is specifically for Amazon KDP. If you click this read button, it'll open a separate browser tab like so. And then you can click this arrow button on the right to essentially flip each of these pages for the crossword puzzle book, as you can see as I'm doing right now. But that's pretty much it. If you don't have Artistly and want to get it at a discounted price, check the link in the description section. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.